Never ending story. Here we are, especializado multimarchas. We're in yet another garage. The engine's down. The new gearbox is coming out. Fuck's sake. Team Summerbond did, however, take the engine out in 30 minutes. 30 minutes? We're getting good at this. There she is. She's down, she's off, she's out. Let's see what's wrong with the gearbox. Gearbox open! Full fuck! Reverse fuck! Second fuck! Worm drive fuck! Bearing fuck! We got fuck! Keep smiling or you start crying.
Feels great to be on the road again.
Gearbox has been cleaned up. New one. Being built on the bench. Engine's back in. Gearbox has been rebuilt. We're going for the testy drivey.